safest. Oh, that's a long way to fucking fall, is that? Oh, no one like heights, you know. So it looks like the path goes right around this road. It's surely it's got to cross at some point, unless it goes over. We'll soon find out. Just went in there for a shower, and then I noticed you had to pay £1 for hot water, so I thought, fuck it, I'll have a cold shower. Oh, and the minute you stop, you just fucking ache. You walk like fucking John Wayne, looking like you've been bombed by Mike fucking Tyson, man. So yeah, even though I've been in the rain and cold all day, I had a cold shower, but I feel better now. I'm gonna get some food from here now and a hot coffee, and then we're going right up the side of that. You just see a lot of people in the background going on that trail, and it leads up into the hills. So yeah, let's get some food. So I'm heading to that King's Hotel there for some hot food and dry off. Long way to go. Dry off and get some good food. Oh, I thought it stopped raining for a little bit.